Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be bringing you calisthenics set of routines, 8 in total, each one lasting 1 minute. No repeats, no equipment needed. So, we're going to try and target the leg side of our body, which is the quads, the hamstrings and the calves. Upper sides, we're going to try and attack the abs, the obliques, the shoulders, the chest, and I believe we're going to do some biceps as well. Anyway, if you like what you're seeing, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Catch you at the end.
In the madness, you got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. Sleeping at night, keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right, blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. In your head, seeking your attention, but simple instead. 'Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane, 'cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. I know I am nobody to ya, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, 'cause
Thanks so much for watching. Please remember that you can help the channel by liking, subscribing and commenting. Please also check out the affiliate links in the video, as this also helps the channel. Thanks once again. I'll catch you in the next one.
It's a hard word to use, but it's true. So challenging life with you, but I'm all through.